This is a vlog.
What's up, Macaronis? How are you going? I hope you're doing wonderfully. Now, today we're gonna be doing meal preps, and that's because my depressed state is getting boring for me. It's not that funny anymore. So we're gonna be leveling up from last week, which was eating disgusting off yogurt that was in my fridge with some floppy carrots and hummus. I've gone to the grocery size. Oh, fluff. We're cooking with Ellie. We're doing. It is 10 p.m. Have I been doing much today? Kind of. I went outside today. I have full-time work booked this week, 10-hour days, full timing, and you know what? I'm sick of buying the same little grocery salad. That's way too much plastic. Does it slap? Yes. Is it a vibe? Medium vibe. And we're not selling for medium vibes. We are going sky high vibes. Sky high vibes. Get on the train with me. Let's get crazy, let's get wild. Choo choo. Oh, I think my neighbors were just tapping on there. Sorry. Choo choo choo. All right, let's get on that kitchen train. I shopped at Aldi for a little bit of a thrill. And to be honest, I was too slow for the cashier. Is this exciting? Not really. Penelope food. Cauliflower. Good for roasting. Love cauliflower. Makes a good noise. I'm not sure if I like plums either. So, you know, trying something new. Just how I remembered them. They're kind of like giant grapes, aren't they? Free shabakadoo from Buckley's. Corn flour. I would have bought this for a reason. Don't remember which one though. Maple syrup. Chickpeas. The best of the peas, I would say. aNnNnndd. Have some red onions. Gooch napkins. Alright, so grocery haul is done. And now what I'm going to cook today is a recipe I saw on the internet. I'll link it below because, you know, it's not my recipe. Although I won't follow it 100% because I don't. You know, you just gotta vibe it out, you gotta feel it, you gotta lovely jubbly, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's get the ingredients. Here it is. Alright, macaronis, get chopped. Anyway, chop them up, put them in the oven. It's so easy. My oven is on hot and we're gonna plop them in. And Penelope snacks for the week. Delicious. Win-win. Double-edged sword, but no killing involved. Isn't that just the best? All right, we're gonna fang these bad boys in the oven. Ready? And ovened. Magic. Let's see how this dressing goes. Here's a jar that used to have jalapenos. You know, it's good to just vibe it out in the kitchen. All right, vibes, vibes, vibes. Here is my recipe. Okay, 1/4 cup tahini, it says. Is this 1/4 cup? Not sure. Cute. My mum made it. Cheers, mum. Tahini. Now, note to my past self and anyone else who hasn't had tahini before, don't eat it straight out of the jar. I'm looking at you. Don't try it straight out of the jar. It is bad. I wasted so many of my years thinking I didn't like tahini. Boy, oh boy, was I wrong. Tahini is squished up sesame seeds. Slam that bad boy in there. Slam. Oh, jeepers. Okay. Wow. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Knife. Is it dirty? Yes. Did it only have peanut butter on it from this morning or maybe 2 days ago? Yes. Does it work? No. This guy, not feeling much juice from him. Oh. You know what? Never judge a lemon by the outside. The insides might surprise you. You never know what you're gonna get when life gives you lemons, am I right? Wow, full circle, full circle. 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. How's that? Science. 1/4 of cumin, 1/4 of coriander. All right, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. A little bit of salt, scrinkety skronk, scrinkety skronk, scrinkety, and a skronk for good luck. Now, pack some up for lunch. right, macaronis, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another vlog. Will it be late? Maybe. And if it is there such thing as late? Not really, because time is a man-made concept. And as the saying goes, better late than in an interdimensional vortex. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite meal to cook is. I would love some ideas because, you know, roast veggies, they slap, tahini sauce, slap. But is it really a meal? Debatable, and I'm not one for conflict. So let me know your favorite meals to cook. Let's get chefy this week. Keep believing. Remember, you can do whatever you want to do. You just gotta be a little bit trash first. If aliens exist, you can too. And that's it. Peace. Skirt. 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 It's actually being said by scientists that people need to eat more finger gratings. It's a really good source of collagen and vitamin D if the person's been in the sun.